Hello, I'm Jigsaw, and I'm going to cook. Fish. 6 fishes. Fresh, fresh. I'm going to cut. You cut. How? I need chopping board. Chopping board. I can't see.
Come on.
Can you see? Look into my eyes. Dali lang. See? Magaling ako maghiwa.
Kamay.
I love blood. Super duper blood. Put it here. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Another one. Smile. Okay. And then, sibuyas. What you call this in English?
Onion.
Onion! Very good, very good, very good.
Ba't kailangan pa na-ask costume kasi?
Yes. Because Jigsaw is very handsome. Okay, ask me a question. Question me.
Why do you want to kill?
Huh?
Why do you always kill?
Why do I always kill? Because it's wonderful. Because it's interesting, exciting, lovable, everything. See me smiling? Huh?
I see. Beautiful
See
eyes.
true colors shine through. Okay, next question.
Why do you want to cook?
Why do I want to cook? I don't want to cook. I want to kill you. I want to kill you. I'll kill you. Okay. Next question, please. Here is my, makikita mo ba?
Oh.
Galit. Okay. This is the toyo. Soy sauce.
Ang pangit. Wow. Nakatoma.
Whew. Okay. Let's put na the soy sauce.
Wait lang.
Wait. Okay.
Pangit tumawa.
Seriously, masyadong madumi yung aming kitchen. I'm so sorry. Kasi wala kaming katulong ngayon. She got preggy.
Ano isa ba?
Preg. And then,
Tatapos.
takpan natin. No! Ang dumi-dumi, tignan mo! Ang dumi-dumi! Dumi-dumi! Lagyan natin yan. Buksan natin. Wala. Wala. Oh my god, ano open? Ano?
Paano naman?
Yeah.
Scary naman.